Why start this business and is this pandemic situation?
We were actually about to start up before the pandemic. Before Corona, we were about to open up in February end or by March end. But after that, this pandemic happened, and we all know what's the current scene right now. So thankfully, right now, everything is getting normalized. It will take some time, I know that. And I believe everyone was staying at home, and everyone was already a little bit depressed. So Kolkata actually needed a new place. Kolkata actually needed a new place to visit, so that was the proper reason, and we got actually a very good timing to open up this place.
Is there any special food? Any special?
Almost, I would say, all the foods are special. Our chef make amazing food. We have got cuisines like Indian, Mexican, Chinese, Oriental, Asian, and Italian as well.
Why would people come here?
See, what we expecting from people is because we have been in rooms and houses and homes. We have been locked in for like more than 6 months now, right? And people want to come out. People want some reason to come out. The workplaces have already started, and the situation is getting normalized day by day. And we tried to open it before COVID, but after COVID we took some time. We worked hard. We made the place possible. We made a rooftop possible so that people can come and sit in open air condition, and they can enjoy hookah, shisha, food, and they won't fear about the coronavirus because we'll maintain the tables, we'll maintain the social distance in the tables, we'll sanitize the tables, we'll take all the precautionary measures that is told by the government to do. The guidelines, we're going to follow all the guidelines provided by the government.
Now the reason is what you see in the market, how the business will go.
See, for now, we're not thinking about from the business point of view. We want people to have a safe place to eat. We want the people to have a safe place to dine in, to enjoy the weather of puja that we call, right? For the whole year, the entire year, we wait for puja to come. This is a season, right? After October, the season starts. Bengalis and Kolkatans, we do want to enjoy the puja and this season. And what we are trying to do is, because now what happens, we are not going to stand in queues, we are not going to do pandal hopping. So we thought this is the right time for people to come and eat the food, enjoy the vibe, see the nostalgia, feel the nostalgia, and just get done with the puja season. That's it.
Any message to our public possibility?
Absolutely, yes. First of all, don't be afraid. This is just a temporary thing which we are going through, and do come over here. You are absolutely safe. We are doing regular temperature checks, keeping everything sanitized and as hygienic as possible. Yes, my name will be Arjun Singh.
Hi, this is Vibhash Punjabi.
হাই এভরিওয়ান, দিস ইজ ওয়েন্দ্রিলা সাঁতরা। গুড ইভিনিং টু অল। আবার চলে এসেছি তোমাদের সাথে আজকে একটা নতুন একটা ব্লগ নিয়ে ফ্রেন্ডস ক্লাব চ্যানেলে। আজকে এসেছি এলগিন রোডে এমন একটা ক্যাফে এবং পাব যেখানে তোমরা আসতে পারো। প্যান্ডামিকের মধ্যে তারা কীভাবে প্রিকশন নিয়ে করছে সেটা তোমরা জানতে পারো যদি তোমরা আসতে চাও। তো এখানে দেরি না করে চলে এসো। তোমরা নিশ্চয়ই শুনতে পেলে ওদের ওনারের মুখ থেকে কীভাবে তারা ফুড সার্ভ করছে, কীভাবে তারা প্রিকশন নিচ্ছে ইন দিস প্যান্ডামিক। সো দেরি না করে তোমরা এখানে চলে এসো এবং পরবর্তী ভিডিও দেখার জন্য থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ গাইজ।